Kick is up. Kick is good. Come on. Kick is no good. And Petey's kick is up. And
Our offensive line didn't get off the ball and fight. They played on our sideline of scrimmage. Simple. It's football 101. You don't win games by out-scheming people. You win games because you get off the ball and you beat people. And we didn't do that. We didn't put ourselves in good enough positions, field position-wise. That cost us the game. If we execute and get a little closer and make a field goal in the first half, then we can kick a field goal and go to overtime there. But we screwed around. We could still win the conference. That's what's crazy. Homestead or one of these teams could absolutely beat Carroll. But if we play like we did tonight, we're not going to win the conference. If we play like we did tonight, we're going to, we turned it over 2 or 3 times and we didn't force any turnovers. You don't win conferences doing that.